This the third set for that kid, Riggy D. I guess I'll call it my motherfucking trilogy. Not in my feelings, but see right now is when I'm feeling me. I'm in high school and this nonsense is killing me. Can't wait till I'm home to get to start spitting these illest free beats and rhymes. Continue listening to my ill mind. Guess you can call me Hobson. I'ma need a beat so someone start beatboxing. Bound to be a good kid, not stealing and robbing. I'ma still smoke and choke on blunt raps. Wanna have racks to stack off for my mama, cause she deserves the world and not a single thing less. So I'ma keep on making it, give her the fucking best. Rather be in geometry doing this stupid math instead of sleeping under tree smoking on crystal meth. Don't know what I would do if you hurt any of my family. Probably flip shit, get clipped, clap. I'm spraying these bullets at your mouth, so please just stop saying things. But honestly, to tell you the truth, I don't want to, just wanna get away from this place. Now who's stopping me? First I like to manage my flow like logistics. Starting right now, I'll be optimistic. Since I started rapping, things been enthusiastic. Some are showing interest in me, guess I'm attractive. A bunch of hoes are wanting to freak, I ain't with that shit. I'm just gonna keep doing me and writing rap hits, but everything I write about truth. Now I'm not playing, seriously, just listen to what I am saying. You guys think life is a game? Well, think again, please. Wonder if I'm the bee's knees, his arms, and his legs. Remember when I used to rap? My voice is monotone, but now it's changed up a bit. Give me the microphone so I can tell you what life has really been. Not hitting licks like comment, finish him. Now I'm just a white kid who gets too excited when people start to say his name like, what's up, Rig? I don't wear gold chains or heavy necklace, but I can tell you that I'm a little reckless. I'ma kill this rap shit like Rambo. You wanna talk to me, but are you fam though? I'ma probably flip shit, get clips, clap. I'm spraying these bullets at your mouth, so please just stop saying things. But honestly, to tell you the truth, I don't want to, just wanna get away from this place. Now who's stopping me? First I like to manage my flow like logistics. Starting right now, I'll be optimistic. Since I started rapping, they've been enthusiastic. Some are showing interest in me, guess I'm attractive.